Hey guys, I don't know who I thought I was or what. As you can see, I tried to do a vlog for you guys, but it was a big fail. It didn't work out. It wasn't cute. Everyone was looking at me. I felt very stupid. If you want to know how I achieve this lovely style, keep watching. Bye. Let's get started. This is the pack of hair I use. It's called Urban Twist, and I'm gonna get straight into it. You're gonna need 2 strands of hair per each butterfly look. Then you're gonna want to unravel it the way I'm doing. Like, my hands are so beautiful, but I need to get my nails done. But let's forget that. But yeah, look at me go. So you have to unravel the hair like so. This part is so long, like it's just so long because you have to make the hair kind of like puffy, just so we get that thickness for the hair for the butterfly locks. But you just see me unraveling it. I think you guys get the gist of it. Just unravel. Yeah, that's basically what you do. Separate it, rip it apart. Yes, so you're gonna want to put the hair in box braids, like the natural hair in box braids. I'd see how, like so. I'm just saying an answers. So you're gonna want to twist the hair so it's easier to put into the crochet pin. Put the crochet needle in first, then put the hair in the crochet needle to pull it through. And as you guys know, this part was hard for me for some reason. I was just taking the longest to pull it through. But yeah, this is embarrassing. I finally pull it through, thank Jesus. Like I said before, only pull one side out. Don't pull both sides out because then, yeah, that won't make any sense. But you pull one side out. Yeah, there you go. Pull one side out. Why is my arm just blocking the whole camera? Jeez. So, like that. You're going to want to grab the real hair and one strand together. Hold it together. I forgot to mention, you have to make one strand shorter. So you wrap with the longer strand. So you wrap around the base about 3 times. 2, 3, or 4. Like as you can see me doing. Yeah. Okay, as I said before, you're going to want to put your thumb through, as you guys can see, and then wrap above the thumb 2 times or 1 time. Sometimes I do it 2 times, sometimes I do it 1 time. Okay, put your thumb through, wrap above it once or twice. Wrap above it once or twice. Put your thumb in again, wrap above it once or twice, depends on what you want. After you wrap above it, I forgot to say you have to wrap under it to kind of secure it. Put your thumb in again. The more you put your thumb in, the more like the butterfly. Oh god! The more you put your thumb in, the more the butterfly looks better. I don't know how to make any sense, but if you get what I mean, the more you put your thumb in, the more you get the butterfly effect. It's so beautiful, guys. So put your thumb in, like I said, like so. Put your thumb in, wrap above it once or twice. And then wrap below it to secure it after you wrap above it. Thumb in, wrap above it once or twice. Yeah, that's basically it, guys. That's literally just it. Yeah, so that's what I'm just doing now. So when you get to the end, you're going to want to put a finger through, as you can see. Put a finger through and start wrapping above that finger tightly. Put the finger through, wrap above it. Yeah. Wrap above it tightly. You guys, I don't know what's happening to me. I'm so sorry. As you can see, then you can... Oh, God. They're going to take your finger out. Then secure. You guys can't even see what I'm doing. Yeah, but I'm going to find a better place to show you. But you start wrapping it up. You wrap it up. You wrap it up. You start to wrap it up. As you can see, you wrap it up. You don't have to wrap it all the way up, but just wrap it up. And yeah, that's basically it. That is it. Then you're done. You see that? Beautiful. Beautiful. Beautiful.